Have you ever wondered why some individuals effortlessly attract success and abundance while others seem to struggle at every turn? What if I told you that the secret lies not in luck or circumstance, but in a profound principle governing the very fabric of reality itself? Welcome to our exploration of the law of assumption, an underlying force shaping our perceptions and experiences. Consider this. What if your assumptions about yourself, others, and the world were the driving force behind every aspect of your life? From career advancements to meaningful relationships, your assumptions serve as the blueprint for the reality you inhabit. But what exactly is the law of assumption, and how can we leverage its power to transform our lives for the better? The law of assumption serves as a cornerstone principle in psychology and metaphysics, dictating how we perceive and interact with the world around us. At its essence, this law proclaims that our assumptions about reality directly influence the outcomes we attract into our lives. Picture two individuals attending the same job interview. One assumes they're unqualified and destined to fail, while the other projects confidence and assumes success. Their contrasting assumptions profoundly shape their demeanor, performance, and ultimately the outcome of the interview. To truly grasp the significance of the law of assumption, let's explore relatable examples. Imagine encountering a challenge. Your assumption about your ability to overcome it significantly impacts your approach and eventual outcome. This fundamental principle finds support in scientific research on the power of belief and perception. Studies in neuroscience and psychology reveal how our assumptions sculpt neural pathways and cognitive processes, guiding everything from our decision-making to our emotional responses. Perception, our lens on reality, holds remarkable influence over the world we inhabit. Two people can witness the same event, yet walk away with vastly different interpretations based on their perceptions. Our beliefs and assumptions serve as the filters through which we view the world, coloring our experiences and shaping the outcomes we attract. Consider the impact of our beliefs and assumptions on perception. When we hold empowering beliefs about our potential for success, we're more likely to perceive opportunities and possibilities in our environment. Conversely, limiting beliefs can cloud our perception, hindering our ability to recognize potential pathways to success. Fortunately, we possess the ability to shift our perception and leverage the power of assumption to manifest desired outcomes. Techniques such as visualization, affirmations, and cognitive reframing empower us to rewire neural pathways, adopting more empowering beliefs and assumptions. By consciously choosing to see the world through a lens of abundance and possibility, we cultivate a reality aligned with our deepest desires and aspirations. In essence, by altering our perception, we transform our reality, unlocking boundless potential and opportunity. Our assumptions and beliefs are not mere observers of reality. They actively shape the world around us through manifestation. When we maintain steadfast beliefs and assumptions about our desires, we send powerful signals to the universe, aligning our reality with our intentions. Consider historical anecdotes demonstrating the power of assumption in reality creation. Henry Ford's unwavering belief in mass production revolutionized the automobile industry, illustrating the transformative impact of assumption-driven vision. Similarly, countless individuals have manifested success and abundance by harnessing the power of assumption to envision and pursue their dreams. To harness the law of assumption for manifestation, practical strategies abound. Techniques such as visualization and affirmations allow us to mentally rehearse desired outcomes, reinforcing positive beliefs and assumptions. Gratitude practices shift our focus toward abundance and positivity, further reinforcing the assumption of success. By integrating these strategies into our lives, we actively shape our reality and manifest our deepest desires. As we align our beliefs and assumptions with our goals, we pave the way for a reality that reflects our highest aspirations. Scientific inquiry provides compelling evidence supporting the concept of the law of assumption. Neuroscience research reveals the brain's remarkable plasticity, the ability of neural networks to reorganize and adapt in response to experience. This neuroplasticity enables us to rewire our beliefs and assumptions, aligning our minds with our desired reality. Psychological studies on cognitive biases and the placebo effect further illuminate the power of belief and perception. Our beliefs significantly influence our perception of pain, healing, and performance, demonstrating the profound impact of assumption on outcomes. These scientific findings hold profound implications for personal development and reality creation. By understanding how beliefs and assumptions shape our reality, we gain agency over our lives. We can consciously cultivate empowering beliefs, reshape our perceptions, and manifest desired outcomes. By aligning with scientific principles, we unlock the potential to transform our reality and cultivate lives filled with purpose, abundance, and fulfillment.